Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones coming back with another video. Y'all know me, man. Y'all know that everything about me is extremely humble. Everything about me is genuine, from the way I act on camera to the way I act off camera to the way I carry myself. Everything is genuine, man. So today's unboxing is something like an unboxing I've never did on this channel before. Before we get into that unboxing, let me go ahead and tell you guys to make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have not already hit that sub button, you sleep, man. We grinding, trying to hit 10K before the end of the year. Let's make that happen. Let's hit 10K before the end of the year. I've been chasing this for so long. Please hit that sub button. Now, as you guys know, man, I started doing YouTube about a year and like a few months ago. It's kind of new to me still. What's crazy is so much has changed in that small distance of time, man. If you was to tell me I would be right here, right now, a year ago, I would say you was lying. I wouldn't believe it at all, actually. YouTube was never a thought of mine. YouTube was never even a thought process. It was never reality for me until about last year when I first started. I never owned a camera before. I've never edited videos before. I've never used Photoshop before. I was as brand new to videos, to editing as you can possibly be. The reason I bring that up is because when I used to watch YouTubers, it was a handful of guys that I watched like on a daily basis. Kind of like how you guys watch me, right? You watch my videos, you comment, and you just like the content that I put out, and it's extra dope. So with that being said, I was just like you guys. I was at the crib, I was on my phone, on my laptop or whatever, and I was watching other YouTubers, and I loved their content. Way before I even thought about being a YouTuber, I will watch people on YouTube and I will watch their platform. So fast forward a year and a half later, man, and something like this happens, and it just brings you full circle because you just remember back when everything was so much different from when it used to be, and now you just in a realm, and the people that you used to watch are actually your peers. The people that you used to watch are actually becoming friends, and the people that you actually used to watch you making videos with, and it's just so crazy. This package that I have coming in today is coming from another YouTuber. You guys know him very well. I don't want to spoil it by saying that person's name because obviously if I say the name then you know what's in the box, but I'm gonna just get into this unboxing, man. I wouldn't say it's emotional at all, but like I said, it's definitely full circle that, you know, the people that you once watched as a consumer, you're now peers of, you know what I'm saying? You're now actually in a community, you making videos, and you actually collaborating with these people, and it just shows so much growth between where you once was and where you are now. Let this just be a reminder for any of you guys that want to be YouTubers, any of you guys that want to be anything in life, man. If you have to look at me and just watch my distance or watch my growth that I plan on creating on YouTube, I'm fine with that. I definitely think it's so much negativity in the world these days, you can't really say your dreams out loud because too many people would laugh. But at the end of the day, man, as long as you know what you want to do and as long as you focused on what you want to do, anything is possible. I say that all the time on my channel because that's actually true. But enough of all the gooey stuff, man. I came here to bring y'all a shoe unboxing. Now, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning right now, and I've already unboxed this shoe, but I was stupid enough to not have my mic on, so the whole entire video is just soundless. So now I have to do it again, which is the reason why this box is already open. But just for the fun fact that I like to edit, we just gonna do it like we normally do. Y'all know how we rocking, man. Shouts out to the guy who sent me these. Now when I show y'all this sneaker, y'all gonna automatically know who it is, but man, it's just so crazy to see how things is taking off, man. These are Sauconys. These are definitely Sauconys, size 12. Y'all know how we reppin'. Now, who would have a Saucony sneaker that they were sending me? Now, it's a few people actually, because Saucony a while back did a collab with a few YouTubers, a few sneaker YouTubers, and they all got their chance to make their own signature shoe. I believe Bull got it, Sneakerhead in the Bay, Tony D2 Wild, Has Kicks. It was a lot of people. I'm sorry if I'm forgetting anybody. It was a few more other people that was actually able to make their own sneakers. Just thinking about that gives me motivation as a YouTuber, as a sneaker YouTuber. Yes, I know I'm still on the up and coming, and I know I'm newer to the YouTube scene, but that happening just let me know that there's no limit on what I can do. There's no limit on what I can bring to the table or what I can bring to the sneaker realm or fashion realm. Anything is really possible. This particular sneaker sold out pretty fast. I actually tried to get this shoe when it dropped online, like no cap. I tried to get the shoe when it dropped online, but they sold out pretty fast. Mostly all of them, besides like 1 or 2 pairs, sold out like pretty fast. But without a doubt, we're gonna open these up together. You slide it off one time, boy, shit. And without further ado, we have back out, bro. Back out. We have the Tony D2 Wild. I'm gonna call these joints the Eye of the Tiger Sauconys, and these are absolutely crazy. Now, before I get into the sneaker, man, I just want to say Tony D2 Wild has been on YouTube for, man, what, like 5 years now? Maybe 5 years, 4 years, something like that. And I just watch his videos all the time, you know, just like everybody else. I used to watch Bull, I used to watch Kais, I used to watch Sneakerhead in the Bay. And then, like I said, it's full circle that he was actually able to send me a pair of his own sneakers. Like, these are his shoes. I did a video with Tony not too long ago at the Puma event. Puma had a nice event at Greenbrier Mall. We linked up, and I just asked him, like, yo, bro, I know you did that crazy collab with Saucony, and I'm just wondering, like, did they give you, like, a lot of pairs to get a family and friends? And he was like, yeah, you know what I'm saying, they gave me a lot. And I was like, shit, you know what I'm saying, anything you got a size 12, boy, you know what I'm saying? And he actually said yes, so I was super surprised. We did, what was that, podcast on Mr. Skinny's podcast, Anytime Podcast. Shout out to Mr. Skinny. And bro, that podcast lasted from like 7 o'clock in the afternoon to like 3 o'clock in the morning. No over exaggeration. There was a lot of people on that podcast, but me and Tony was on there, and I was just like, yo, man, just let me know whenever you're gonna get them out. He literally walked me down to his garage, pulled this box out. This was the last pair. I'm not just saying that. Literally, this was the last pair. All of the pairs that he had for family and friends were gone. This was his last pair, and they just happened to be in my size, man. So I'm super thankful, and I'm just super excited I'm actually able to get these in hand. And like I said, I like these from the jump. I tried to get them on release date. They sold out pretty fast. It wasn't too many pairs. What I like specifically about this one, I like this one. Bulls was dope. He had like a South Beach vibe. I don't know who had like the black, gold, and purple. I think that was Hes Kicks or Sneakerhead in the Bay. It was one of the two, but that was fire too. I think it was Hes Kicks, if I'm not mistaken. But this one stood out to me because of the black and orange vibes. I like this is so fire. Even with the speckled laces, you got this nice, soft, powdery suede on the uppers. Then you got this cork type material all on the midsole and throughout the uppers of the shoe as well. And then the dopest part is, bro, you see that tiger on the tongue that say Too Wild? Like, bro, that's crazy. Look at the lace pattern, nigga, bro. That's wild right there. He also got like a tiger right there at the bottom of the sneaker. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, lighting is kind of bad. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But this is the Saucony SD Grid. When they made their sneakers, I believe they got a chance to just make it from absolutely scratch. That's why none of them really look the same. I don't think not too many people picked the same models. I think somebody else did pick a SD Grid, but this came out crazy. Of course, you see that Saucony logo right there on the bottom heel tab of the shoe. And then, of course, you see that grid on both sides of the sneaker for sure. Honestly, this is the first Saucony I've ever owned. I do feel like Saucony is making huge improvements along with brands like Puma, which is killing it right now. They just signed DeAndre Ayton. They signed Bagley. They signed my boy Terry Rozier. I played against him in high school. And I think they just signed somebody else, if I'm not mistaken. Was it DeMarcus Cousins? I think they just signed Boogie Cousins. So they got basketball shoes coming out. They came out with the RSO Play, which is killing right now. Puma, Saucony, they're definitely making huge jumps in the sneaker community. So even though I don't own too many Sauconys, if they keep moving in a positive direction, I won't be surprised if I actually look forward to getting some in the future. Let me get the other sneaker out so y'all can see that one as well. And just for y'all that want to get like a closer look, I will be showing B-roll at the end of the video, but this is just kind of like a skim over of this sneaker, man. Like I said, I've never really seen these. Actually, I did see these one time in hand before actually owning my own pair. I seen one pair in hand, but they weren't in my size. So this is my personal pair, bro. This is my personal pair. Y'all already know what's going up behind me in the wall of fame in my sneaker containers. Make sure y'all check out the container store link down below. But yes, man, I am super excited I was actually able to put these in the collection. Once again, man, shout out Tony D2 Wild, bro. I appreciate the love, man. I appreciate you looking out for the channel, sending me these to review. We are supposed to link up and make some videos in the future, man. So if you would like to see some Tony D and some Snapper Jones collabs, let me know down below. I think those videos would be crazy. Guys, I'm telling y'all, man, this really motivated me. I think I wanted this sneaker just for like motivational purpose as well. I'm a very big motivational person. You know, I got a lot of ambition in me, you know what I'm saying? Just seeing something like this, seeing one of my peers, seeing another YouTuber be able to actually create and design his own shoe. I mean, think about that. Think about me being a gigantic sneaker lover. I love shoes. And just to think that it's done, it's possible for me to one day create a platform huge enough for me to have enough influence to make my own sneaker. So once again, guys, nothing is ever too big for you to accomplish. Nothing is ever too large for you to actually conquer. Just keep that in mind at all times, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I will be showing some B-roll of this shoe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and until next time, it's been real. Gang gang.